Welcome to Let's Weave Beads. In this video I wanted to discuss the six-sided pod. I had put up a video to show you how to create a plushie for the pod, but I've taken that video down because I discovered that with the six-sided pod the beads tend to pull in, but with the plushie it wants to push the beads out. So when I actually tried to put this around the plush, it would not close. The center here would not come together because this was pushing the beads out too much. So in order to get myself or finish up my six-sided pod, what I did is I took one of the tiny ornament balls that I had on hand and I put it inside of it. And to make sure that the top part didn't slide down, I threaded some of the beads, string, from the beads through the hole so that that would keep it from getting lost inside there. And then it's all set. You have a nice flower pod. This one is one of the spring flower pods by one of my favorite designers, and it can now be hung, and it's a cute little flower. So this is what I recommend for the six-sided pods. I believe any pod up to 5 sides will work with the plush. I know up to 4 sides will work. I believe 5, I haven't tested 5, but I think 5 will work. But 6 will not work with the plush, so I do recommend these small ornament balls for filling them out. I hope that you enjoy making pods. These ones are converted from peyote to right angle weave, and they make lovely little ornaments, or you could make a bunch of flower ones and hang them off of a little tree-like thing, and it would be very cute. Happy beading.